Yes, good day, colleagues. Now, let me run through with you on Teacherbot just a few things once you have accessed the canvas. What is happening there? So let's quickly just concentrate on the screen here. Okay, so once you enter your first time, you need to register with your information, your generic information. You enter your information, everything is required there, and then you can click on submit. And then when you go underneath, you will see the certificate of copyright, the patent with BIPA. And then you can also then enter this information here to request a 30 minutes demo that we will be able to arrange with you on Teacherbot. So what you will do now, you'll click on submit, and then your form will be submitted. And after that, you will enter now the tools page. So as you can see, lesson plans and consultants. So you will see now what we mean by consultants. Okay, here is your lesson plan canvas for lower primary, according to the lower primary format. And here is your lesson plan canvas for your, this is actually pre-primary and junior primary, and this is actually high school and senior primary. Scrolling down, you'll find the Education Act of Act 3 of 2020. This is the full trained bot on the Education Act, just for you to acquaint yourself, ask questions on the Education Act, and so on. And then here you can also access the bot to guide you on the being a public servant in Namibia Pocket Guide 2.0. All right, here you can enter the worksheets where you want to generate extra worksheets. And underneath here, please, very, very importantly, once you've used Teacherbot there, please access this, enter your information here for a review also. Now, let me quickly guide you on the lesson plan. So let's look at this senior primary lesson plan. So what I will do here is that I will type, okay, this is the conversation. Hi, kindly create a lesson plan for me. Okay, then I click there, and my bot and Teacherbot will be busy. So can you see, Teacherbot tells you exactly which information you should enter. There is it. It needs the name of the school, the name of the teacher, the week, the date, the time, the grade, the subject, the topic, the lesson objectives, and basic competencies. So once, if you want, you can just copy this right here, and then copy it and paste it here, and then start to enter the information there, like name of the school. This you can type in, and so on. When you come to the lesson objectives and the basic competencies, I showed you in the other videos on how you can open 2 screens or 3 screens, where one can be your syllabus, just to copy and paste the lesson objectives and basic competencies, and one of them can be the lesson plan format. If you just want to, once the lesson plan is generated, then you can just create generate it directly. So what I will tell Teacherbot now is that what I also want to do, I want to show something. So after I've entered this info, let's say for instance, I want to know, let me ask Teacherbot, just check what I'm asking. I'm asking Teacherbot, what documents can you reference when creating this lesson plan? Okay, now Teacherbot will respond saying that I can reference the National Curriculum Basic Education 2016 document together information for creating a comprehensive lesson plan tailored to the specific grade level and subject you provide. If you have any specific topic or subject in mind, please let me know. and I can use this information. I can use the information from the document to generate a detailed lesson plan. So for almost 3 months or so, we have been training Teacherbot on the national basic education curriculum. So whatever lesson plans, once you provide the right information, it will give you a lesson plan that is more tailored to your grade level and to your subject and so on, because of the training it received, of the comprehensive training it received. All right. So now I will tell it now that please create any lesson plan. Use your own information. At the moment, it's just a demo. Use your own information. Okay. Okay, so there is it. Generating the lesson plan. Okay, and this is the format that we use in the high school and senior primary. So it has created that lesson plan in that format. It has given itself the grade and so on, because we have not we have not provided any input to our specific, context that we want. So this is just a sample that I just, let it create, and then the teaching aids it provided, the introduction, the lesson, the teacher activities, and everything is there. Yes. So as you can see, it is. We have also upgraded. Instead of using students now, Teacherbot after the training, and then it is now. Instead of using students, it is as it used to. It is now using learners. All right. So what you can do once this lesson has been generated, or what you can do is just to copy and paste. Highlight, copy and paste at the moment. And then once Teacherbot has created this, you can then engage further to say, kindly translate this in Afrikaans if you want your lesson plan to be translated in Afrikaans. Or you can just give instruction that please create for me an assessment tool based on the 3 levels of questioning or the Bloom's taxonomy, or create for me an assessment tool for this lesson that could consist of 30 marks, 10 marks multiple choice, 10 marks what you must be specific on what you want. It will produce that what you want. And then you can also create an answer key for that assessment. Also, you can instruct it then that once the assessment tool has been created, you can also ask then for Teacherbot to create an answer key. And then once that has been created, you can also then engage Teacherbot to say, now give me tips on how to incorporate ICT in this lesson, maybe inclusive education, differentiated teaching, and so on. All those tips you can ask. So Teacherbot will then be able to guide you. So once you have received your lesson plan like this, all what you do now is to own it, to customize it to your like in your whether on Word document or in your lesson plan format, or wherever you want to transpose or copy it to. So and then that can be done. That is actually for the same. Also will be done at the lower primary, at the junior primary, just the same, just that the components will differ. Obviously here the themes, topic of integration and so on, and all the others, but that should not be a big issue. And then you come to the worksheet, the lesson generators, where you can also create some extra worksheets like quizzes, crossword puzzles, matching, and so on. This can be done right here. Obviously, we have an account with this third party. Once you are there, I can give you the password and so on, so that you can create tailor-made, contents for to meet your lessons. So that is what it is at the moment. So if you have any other questions, please do ask. But I think for now we have done justice in this one. All right. Thank you.